Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. Now, are you in search of a hassle-free, no-nonsense method to establish a straightforward CRM within ClickUp that genuinely works for your needs? Well, you're in the right place. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, not only will you have a CRM set up, but you'll also be equipped to organize your contacts, deals, and follow-ups more efficiently than you ever thought possible. Let's jump right in and get your CRM fully operational. To begin setting up your CRM, you'll want to start on the ClickUp home screen. Here, your journey to creating a CRM begins in the project area. If this feature is unfamiliar to you, don't worry. Your projects are conveniently listed on the left-hand sidebar or in the main workspace area, wherever you set it up. Simply hover your mouse over the project where you envision your CRM residing. You'll notice small icons appearing. Among these, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options or Settings menu. This is your gateway to taking your project beyond the basics. Once you click on these three dots, a menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of choices. Today, we're interested in the template option. Templates in ClickUp are like pre-assembled kits that save you a great deal of time. Think of them as starter packs for various projects or workflows, such as launching a campaign, or in our case, setting up a CRM. Go ahead and select the template option. You'll then see a button or link that says Browse Templates. Clicking this will open up a searchable gallery brimming with all sorts of templates crafted by other users or the ClickUp team. These templates are designed to ease your workflow. In the search bar, type in CRM. Don't be surprised if multiple options appear. ClickUp offers a range of templates to suit different business styles, whether you're focused on tracking leads, managing customers, or handling deals. Take a moment to browse through the CRM templates that pop up. Hover over each one for a quick preview or dive deeper by clicking on them. If you're undecided, pick the template that aligns most closely with how you prefer to manage your contacts. For instance, some might feature lead pipelines, while others could emphasize custom fields. Choose what resonates with you. Then click Use Template. At this stage, you'll need to name your CRM. Don't rush this step. A clear name makes it easier for you and your team to locate and understand the CRM's purpose. Names like Sales CRM or Client Tracker are effective and straightforward. You're also given the option to customize certain details before applying the template. This might involve adjusting statuses, adding or removing fields, or tailoring it to fit your specific workflow. Taking a bit of time to customize now can save you from headaches later, especially if there are fields you know you won't need or ones you definitely want to include. Once satisfied with your template and its name, click Use Template once more. This action will create your new CRM section within ClickUp, complete with all the features and fields from the template you've chosen. Now is the perfect opportunity to review what's been created. Notice how the template provides different lists, views, and sections for contact details, deal stages, interactions, and much more. Remember, ClickUp is extremely flexible, and you can always rename your CRM or modify its structure as your needs evolve. Perhaps you'll want to add a custom field for the last contact date or color code your leads. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a simple yet effective CRM in ClickUp. You're now ready to start adding contacts, tracking workflows, and staying organized. If you find anything confusing, don't worry. You can always revisit and adjust settings as you become more comfortable with the tool. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.